about BEKIDEWANAI. BEKIDEWANAI. The last moment we just learned the verb bekida. So this is the BEKIDEWANAI. It means should not do or must not do. It's the negative form of bekida. So when you say the negative form of the bekida should be BEKIDEWANAI. So this is just translate such as should not do or must not do. I should not know about that because it's not my business. Or I must not know about that. It's not my business. She must not know about that because it's not her business. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the beki or bekidewanai, it's just the same. So when you use with the verb, you should change the verb to the dictionary form. And the special case is suru or subeki. You can use both suru or bekidewanai. And for the adjective, you just cut out out of the adjective and end by ku aru. For na adjective, you should not end by na, but you should end by de aru. And for the bekidewanai or bekidewa arimasen, it just has the same meaning. So when you see the end by bekidewanai or bekidewa arimasen, so it just had the same meaning. So don't be afraid, don't be surprised. Okay. So you should remember that beki and bekidewanai is the positive and the negative sentence. So the next, let's go to see some example of how to use. The first example, こんなことをすべきではない。こんなことをすべきではない。Which means you shouldn't do such a thing. You shouldn't do such a thing. In this sentence, you can use そんなことをするべきではない。Because する you can use both case すべき or するべきではない。The next example 寝る前にアイスを食べるべきではない。寝る前にアイスを食べるべきではない。Which means you shouldn't eat ice cream before going to bed. You shouldn't eat ice cream before going to bed. The next, 私たちは遅く寝るべきではありません。私たちは遅く寝るべきではありません。Which means we shouldn't go to bed late. We shouldn't go to bed late. 約束を破るべきではありません。約束を破るべきではありません。Which means you shouldn't break your promise. You shouldn't break your promise. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in next time. Bye bye. ありがとうございました。